All right, guys, we're doing a tile and grout cleaning for a client that found us online, saw our reviews, our testimonials, and booked on a spot. We have a total of 206 square feet. We're gonna clean it and reseal it for them, and that's gonna be a wrap, guys. What a beautiful day out here. Nice property. But yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. Stay tuned for some results, and as always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, you can see the client said they tried to do some themselves, but it was just too taxing. And you can just see where it's supposed to be white and where it's soiled. So you guys can see that. We're gonna get back to the original state. Yeah, guys, got everything set up here. You can just see where it's soiled there. All right there. Zoom in a little bit, see that? Where it's supposed to be, where it's not. So we're gonna get that back to the original state. And all is well. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, got everything ready to go and lined up. Need the service? Give us a call. Not too bad out here, gorgeous day. All right, gotta grab a pre-spray. All right, let's go. Hey, yo. All right, guys. Doing a tile. Now, when it's wet, it does look dark, but when it dries, it's gonna appear light. It's going good. Remember, before you restore it, let us restore it. This is a great maintenance clean, and that's what this is, guys. It's a maintenance clean, maintaining the floor, getting it back to the original state in a hygienic state as well. Very hygienic to get this done, especially in the bathroom area when you're transferring their soils, and you would basically prevent bacterial growth and all that germs that are associated with that. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna finish up. Stay tuned. All right, guys, little update. We're drying the floor now with the dry pods. We already cleaned it. So because the grout turns dark when it's wet, we're gonna dry it so we can see the benefits after it's been cleaned. You can already see how white it is, guys. That's back to the original state. So when it dries, it should all look uniform. Then we can seal it, and another happy client, guys. Wow, but anyway, guys, just got finished up. We're letting it dry. I got my dry pods on it, and it's gonna be a win. It's gonna look good, guys. So let me show you what we're doing. Got everything loaded up and ready to go. All right. Like I said, anytime we do tile and grout, we always like to expedite the drying so we can see what it looks like before we leave, and that's what we're doing. Wow, look at that, guys. See that it's white again. Perfect. That's what they wanted. Looks so good, a lot better than it was. And it's still drying in spots over there, but guys, hands down, this looks absolutely great. Take my shoes off so I don't re-soil it. It's still drying in the bathroom, but yeah, guys, this is one of the benefits of a tile and grout clean and seal. Get it back to the original state. Look at that. See? All that is good to go. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. It's still drying over here, but guys, night and day difference. Another win. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. All right, guys, another happy client. She's so excited. She'll leave a testimonial soon, and she just gave me a $100 tip. That's how kind of clients we serve. They appreciate our service and the value and quality we bring. All right, guys, just leaving this gated community, heading on to the next job. And AO, let's go. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Everybody's getting ready for the holiday, guys. And just a good feeling when your clients tip you and just value you and appreciate your expertise and credentials and consulting. It's It's a great feeling, guys. All right, guys, have my next job. I got a hardwood estimate to do, and then we have a HVAC cleaning and sanitation tomorrow, and that'll be it, guys. Hope you guys have a good week. Thanks for watching.